Class 10 Science. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today our topic is energy forms and sources and the chapter number 18. Now start what is the energy and forms. So these are the potential energy in a water and it is flow in the downwards. Now some figures are here and the energy means the doing the work. So that is the animals which is doing some work, and here is some fires are also, and it is also doing some work, and it is also all these figures are showing to the work, and that is the energy. Let us see the forms of energy. Forms of energy is the two types, and that is the potential energy and the kinetic energy. Stored energy and energy by virtue of position, that is the gravitational energy. And here there is energy in motion. This energy is due to motion of wave, electrons, atoms and molecules. So these are called as kinetic energy. Let us see what is the potential energy. These type of potential energy, that the chemical energy. First one is chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds, atoms and molecules. Biomass, petroleum, natural gases, propane, coal are the some examples of reservoir of chemical energy. Let us see the next one. This one is the nuclear energy. The energy stored in the nucleus of the atoms is called nuclear energy. It holds together the atom. The nucleus of uranium atom is an example of nuclear energy. This is the uranium atom. This is uranium atom. It is 92 to 35 and it is one neutron, and it's divided into two parts of this is the barium and krypton, and three neutrons are formed: one neutron, two neutron and three neutrons. And these three neutrons once again collide with the one uranium atom, and then it's also divided into two parts and the three neutrons further, and a huge amount of energy. So that energy is called as nuclear energy. So let us see the next one. This is the stored kinetic energy. The energy stored in the object due to applying force is called stored kinetic energy. Compressed spring and the elongated rubber are examples of the stored kinetic energy. You can see here this one and this one. Gravitational energy, and it is also potential energy. The energy of an object due to its position is gravitational energy. For example, the energy of water is stored in the reservoir of a hydroelectric dam. When this water is released, it moves turbine and is converted to a kinetic energy. So that one is the potential energy which is used to generate the electricity. Now come to the kinetic energy. What is the examples of kinetic energy? So radiation, that is the kinetic energy. So let us see, radiation energy is a type of electromagnetic. So you can say it is electromagnetic energy which creates motion in transverse waves. Visible lights, X-ray, gamma rays and the radio waves as well as solar energy are examples of the radiation energy. So these are the radiation energy. Now come to the thermal energy. What is the thermal energy of this? Thermal energy is the internal energy of metal. So this is the internal energy of the metal. This energy is generated due to the variations of motion of atoms and molecules in metal. So let us see atoms and molecules. So let us see next one. So that the motion of energy, and that is the windmill, and here is the water dam. So moment of an object on material from one place to another is motion. Wind and hydroelectric are the examples of the motion energy. So you can see here. So let us see here this one, the sound energy. Sound is the movement of energy through the substance in the longitudinal compress and rarefaction. That is the wave. Now electricity, lighting during storms and the electricity are examples of electric energy. Electricity is flow of moving of electrons. So that is the kinetic energy. It is a type of kinetic energy. Let us see the table. This table, it is the energy and which is initial and the final energy, an example. So it is the change of energy. So initial, that is the potential energy, it's changed to kinetic energy. So that is the example. Fall, waterfall from tank from a higher level to lower. Now come to the kinetic energy to thermal energy. It is a plasma gets warm on rubbing. So kinetic energy into potential energy, it is the compressing a spring. Now kinetic energy into electrical energy, that is the production of electricity using electric generator. You can write any other of example. Now let us see this one, energy, and that is the chemical energy change into light energy, that is the switch of torch. Kinetic energy change into sound energy, light energy, and thermal energy, it is the knife heating a stone. So electric energy, thermal energy, so iron getting warm. So that is the change of or transformation of the energy. Now come to the form of the electric energy is converted. How can? So this is the electrical appliance, useful and the waste. So it is the TV, light and sound energy. Thermal energy is environment and TV. Hair dryer, kinetic and the thermal energy of air molecules. So the sound energy, इससे साउंड निकलती है इसलिए ये वेस्टेज में आएगा. ओवन, थर्मल एनर्जी, फूड गेट्स वार्म. थर्मल एनर्जी, यूटेंसिल बिकम्स हॉट, साउंड एनर्जी. Now fan, it has kinetic energy, but it has also sound energy, that is the waste. Now come to the next one. So this is the generating bulb. So it is the old generation, that is the tungsten bulb, and electric energy. In this electric energy, so 90% thermal energy is converted electric energy. Electric energy converted into 90% thermal energy and 10% only light energy. Now the CFL, it is the electrical energy. So what will be happen? It is the 30%. So you can say it is 30%. You can write here 30%. 30% thermal energy and the 70% is light. So it is the more cheaper than the tungsten bulb. Now it is the time of LEDs. LEDs have the 0.5% thermal energy and 95% is light energy. So it is most useful for the light energy. Now come to the next one. So it is the structure of the other forms of the energy on the earth. So Central Electricity Mission, based on the report of the Government of India, it is the parts. So first one is the renewable and source of energy, that is the 30%. It is 13%. You can write this is the 13%. Now aquatic energy, it is 15%, so very less. Now nuclear energy, it is only 2%, and now natural gas energy, it is near about 9%, and rest are the waste which have no any energy. So that is the diagram of the earth for the energy level. Let us see what is the biogas plant. So it is the biogas plant in which the cow dung slurry are used and to form the gas which is used for cooking gas. So this one, the soil and compost card. So it is the waste, and waste, don't say it is waste product, but it is a useful product for after the using the gas. So that is the slurry, and it is the soil, and here is the spectral digesters are here. So they digest and convert into gases and some in fertilizers. Now come to the wind energy. So it is the windmill, and it is formed like this in the structure. It is shaft, generator and the gearbox. So now it's generate into the wind energy into the electric energy, and electrical are standing by these pole wires. Now come to the solar. And solar energy, that is the solar cooker, in which there is a mirror and it's run in the glass, and the some light is reflected here and transmitted on this glass. So solar energy be absorbed by this glass and by this reflected glass, and solar reflects here. Reflect mirror here is sheet glass and the metal box, and here ग्राइंडेटर वाज ब्लैक इनसाइड सरफेस, इसके अंदर पूरी की पूरी सरफेस को ब्लैक कर देते हैं, और इट इज द वुडन ब्लॉक बिकॉज इट डज नॉट अलाउड टू पास द आउटसाइड हीट. Now come to the solar panel. It is the solar panel which is convert the solar energy into a electrical energy. So let us see. It is the energy from the sea. So energy from the sea is divided into three parts. The first one is tidal energy, second is wave energy, and third one is the ocean thermal energy. So first one, tidal energy, due to the gravitational pull of the mainly the moon on the spinning earth, the level of water in sea rise and falls. This differences in sea levels during high and low tides gives us tidal energy. Tidal energy is harnessed by the constructing a dam across a narrow opening to the sea. A turbine fixed at the opening of the dam converts tidal energy to electrical energy. Now come to the B parts, wave energy. So similar, the kinetic energy possessed by the huge wave near the seashore can be trapped in a similar manner to generate electricity. The waves are generated by the strong winds blowing across the sea. Now third one is the ocean thermal energy. The water at the surface of the sea or ocean is heated by the sun, while the water in deeper section is relatively the cold. This difference in temperature is exploited to obtain energy in ocean thermal energy converges plants. So that is the energy transformation. So it is the chain reaction in the nuclear fusion. So it is the chain reaction. How can the slowly movement of neutron is uranium nucleus breaks into two almost equal parts, gives rise to huge energy, and three neutrons under the favorable condition. These neutrons can further divide the other uranium nuclei. In this way, a fusion chain is initiated, which once start continues till all uranium nucleus have undergoes fusion. This process of fusion of nuclei is called chain reaction. So chain reaction are two types. First is uncontrolled chain reaction and second is controlled chain reaction. Uncontrolled, the example of atom bomb, and controlled, that is the nuclear reactor. So these are the two types of operators which is used in our life. So now come to this one. So nuclear fusion. What is the nuclear? And that is the nuclear fusion, and it is your nuclear fusion. So currently all chemicals, commercial nuclear reactors are based on the nuclear fusion. But there is a other possibility of nuclear energy generated by a safer process called nuclear fusion. Fusion meaning the joining lighter nuclear to make a heavier nuclear. Most commonly hydrogen and hydrogen isotopes to create helium. Here is one deuterium to second. The two molecules of deuterium are fusion together. They form a helium and a huge amount of energy, and that is the nuclear energy. So here is titanium. You can see here figure. It is the neutron, and it is the deuterium, and it is the energy receipt, and it is the helium. You can form here. You can see here. So let us see the what will be in your next. So benefit of the nuclear energy. A small amount of uranium-235 can produce a huge quantity of energy. Second, the reaction does not require oxygen. इसमें किसी भी ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. It is the benefit. But harmful effect is also here. Harmful effect nuclear energy. The reaction produce radioactive substance which can cause great harm. So it is the harmful effect. The lesson is over. Now come to the one word, that is the CREDA. CREDA is asking in board examination, so that is the very most important thing. So you can learn by heart. So CREDA stands for the Chhattisgarh State Renewable Energy Development Agency, and this is the enterprises under the Department of the Energy of Chhattisgarh government. So it is the Chhattisgarh government. So following are the objective behind the formation of CREDA. क्या है इसके पीछे aim इनका? So first, to conserve energy. This means to ensure proper utilization of the energy source and the save energy. So this is the first, and now second, to increase the use of non-conventional source of energy in order to decrease the dependency on conventional sources. Now third one, since the energy obtained from non-conventional source of the energy is environmental friendly, therefore CREDA was to motivate people towards using these energy sources such as solar energy, wind energy and the biomass energy. So it is the useful aim of CREDA. Now come to the question. The working models of the conventional source of energy, for example, hydropower, wind power, solar energy power, solar car, solar hut, solar boat and the biogas plants are displayed for demonstration purpose at Chhattisgarh Energy Educated Park, Raipur, managed by CREDA. So this process of burning fuel is called combustion. The temperature of solar cooker box increases 100 to 140 degrees C in 3 to 2 hours. Biogas is a mixture of methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and the hydrogen sulfide, where the main component is the methane. Methane is the main component. So you can learn by heart. Now come to the question answer. Choose the correct option. Most of the energy source used by the utilized solar energy. Which energy source out of the following is not derived from solar energy? Such is the biomass. All are the solar energy, but it is the biomass is the not done. That one. So biogas is a mixture of. So I have told you it is methane, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So you can write the D1. Nuclear fission is a reaction in which the two light nuclei is combined together. So that is the A answer. Now come to the fourth part. Fossil fuels are the coal, petroleum, natural gases are the fossil fuels. Now the solar cell is a device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. So you can take the correct option. Now come to the fill in the blanks. What is the fill in the blanks? Fill in the blanks. First, we can't use solar heater on earth. That is the rainy day to heat water. Now second, the lighting a torch is conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy. You can write the electrical energy. Now the energy generated due to the ocean, that is the wave, tidal, ocean and thermal. So it is wave energy, tidal, ocean and thermal. So you can write here. Now fourth, a solar cooker converts light. Now come to the third question. Explain the mechanism of the solar cooker with the help of label diagram. So it is the label diagram. It is the solar energy reflectors and the solar energy be absorbed by this box, and the reflector mirror, sheets glass and the metal box. Granulator was black inside surface. So it is the wooden box. So it is the construction of the solar cooker. Now write the working. So working solar cooker is so placed in sunlight that the sunlight can enter the cooker after reaction for plane mirror. After reflection, not reaction, it is the reflection from plane mirror. The glass plate placed on the box produce greenhouse effect. So it increases the temperature with the help of greenhouse effect. So due to which temperature inside the box approximately increased by 100 to 104 degrees centigrade. 140 degrees centigrade within 2 or 3 hours. This heat energy is used in cooking of food like rice, vegetable, pulse and etc. placed inside in the black ink boxes. So it is the working, you can write in your copy. Let us see the next one. So next fourth question. Explain why the inside of a solar cooker box is painted black. Why? So this one is the black color absorb maximum amount of heat, so that the solar cooker is painted black inside. So ये सबसे ज़्यादा absorb करता है color, so it is the black color. Now the solar cooker box is converted with a glass sheet. So that one is your answer. Solar cooker box is converted with glass sheet because it allows heat radiation from the sun to the enter into the box but does not allow them to come out. Thus, the maximum radiation from the sun is accumulated inside the box and within 2 to 3 hours, the temperature of cooker box increased by 100 to 140 degrees C in this time period. So, let us see the third point. The plane mirror reflectors are used inside the solar cookers. Why? So you can write here answer. Plane mirror is used as reflector in solar cooker because plane mirror reflects maximum amount of sunlight coming from the sun, due to which large amount of heat radiation enter into the box and the temperature quickly rise and the food can be cooked. So that is the reason. Now come to the fifth question. Name the device which converts the solar energy into electric energy. So answer is the device used for converting sunlight into electric energy, that is the solar cell. So that is the answer. Now sixth question. Apart from the cattle dung, which other material can be put inside a biogas plant? So it is the answer, you can write plant waste and the excreta. Plant waste, we can write here plant waste and excreta can also be used in biogas plant. So you can write the answer. Now what is the difference? Explain why any two difference between nuclear fusion and the nuclear fission. So nuclear fusion and it is nuclear fission. So in this, so you can write the first number. The process of combining two lighter nuclei at very high temperature and pressure. Approximate it is the 10 to the power 7 Kelvin to form a heavy nuclei is called nuclear fusion. So that is the nuclear fusion, and here is the number one. In this process, a heavy nuclei breaks into lighter nuclei and the huge amount of energy is released, which can be used for performing mechanical work. So that is the nuclear fission. Now come to the second number. The appropriate fuel for the reaction is deuterium, isotopes of hydrogen. And here is the suitable fuels of nuclear fission is uranium. So that is the second number. Now come to the third number. It is an uncontrolled reaction, but this is the third number. It is a chain reaction which can be controlled. Now the fourth number. In this reaction, two lighter nuclei combine to form a heavy nuclear and the huge amount of energy is released. And these are done at a very high temperature also. This reaction, a heavy nuclei is disintegrates into two lighter nuclei and the huge amount of energy is released. So it does not need to oxygen. Both are not needing to oxygen, that is the similarity. So let us see the next question. So on what basis we can classify the source of energy into renewable and non-renewable energy? So you can write here answer, you can give the answer. So energy source can be classified as renewable and the non-renewable categories on the basis of the conventional and the non-conventional source of energy. So first one you can write here, non-conventional source of energy. Solar energy, wind energy, ocean energy and geothermal energy, hydrogen energy, water energy, etc. are non-conventional source of energy. This sources are unlimited and are not perishable. Now second, the conventional source of energy. These are the source which we are using over a long period of the time. Coal, wood, petroleum, natural gases are the examples. These are non-renewable source because they are available in the limited quantity and cannot be reproduced. So that is the difference in this. So you can write all this answer. Now come to the next one, the ninth question. Write two sources of energy which you think are renewable. Give reason for your choice. So answer, you can write answer. Two renewable energy sources are solar energy. First one is solar energy and the second one is wind energy. These are renewable source of energy because after using them once they can be used again and again. These sources are unlimited. They will never exhaust. Therefore, these are the treated as renewable source of energy. So you can write in your copy or notebook. Now come to the question number 10. Write down the benefit of use of solar energy. So answer is, following are the advantages of the using the solar energy. The first one is electrical energy can be obtained from the solar energy which is pollution free. So there is no pollution with this help. Now second, by using the solar energy, non-renewable source of energy like coal and petroleum can be conserved. So this is the two benefits of the solar energy. Let us see the next one. That is the question number 11. What are limitations of the wind energy? Wind energy की बहुत सारी limitations हैं. So you can write your answer. Limitations of wind energy. First, it may not be available at place and at all the times because air blows at the high speed only in some regions. Now second, if air is not available, what do you understand by the conversion of energy? So you can see here it is the conversion or transformation, both are the same. So transformation of energy, the process of the converting one form of energy into another form of is known as the transformation or conversion of energy. So energy is of many types, therefore one type of energy may be converted into another type of energy. This is the transformation of energy, or you can say conversion of the energy. So example, you can see here example, the transformation of solar energy into electrical energy by the solar cell, and transformation of electrical energy into the heat energy, and heat of electric iron, transformation of mechanical energy into the high light energy, striking of knife on a stone. Now fourth one, the transformation of mechanical energy into potential energy, that is the compression of a string. So these are the examples of the conversion of energy, or you can say transformation of energy. ये लेसन आपका समाप्त हो रहा है आपका